Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you follow me on Depop or here on YouTube, you probably know I just did a giveaway. I gave away a full outfit of the winner's choosing, styled by me. Basically, I just had everyone comment like themes or styles they were into, and I picked 3 I liked actually. I was originally going to do one winner, but there were just too many cute comments and I wanted to do them all, so I did. No, I didn't. I wish I did them all, but I chose 3. I wanted to make sure I had different, 3 examples that were very different from each other to do for this video. So yeah, today I'm going to show you how I styled my giveaway winners. Thank you to everyone who entered. I appreciate it so much. And don't worry, there will be more giveaways soon, probably on my Instagram next time, either one of my Instagrams. So go follow those for more giveaways. Also, if you'd like a personalized style bundle by yours truly, they're now available for purchase on my Depop shop. If you know who Internet Girl is, you know what kind of thing I'm going for here. I think she was the first person to do like style bundles like this, but lots of people have been doing it lately and I'm excited to jump on the bandwagon. They're only $90 free shipping for a full outfit without shoes, or $120 free shipping for an outfit with shoes. And it's super easy. You just purchase a listing, message me a little about your style, give me your measurements, and I'll get it shipped to you within a week. So like I said, today I'm going to style the outfits for the winners of my giveaway and sort of talk about their themes and show you how I pulled their outfits together. I'm sorry I keep touching my hair. I've tried to film this intro like 10 times. But make sure you check out my Depop shop. Check out my new personalized style bundles, especially if you like the ones that I did in this video. And thank you to everyone who entered the giveaway. Thank you to my winners. I hope you love your looks. And yeah, I'm gonna go do some styling, so enjoy. Hey guys! Okay, I'm about to start putting these looks together. I'm gonna go ahead and show you each outfit, and then I'm also gonna try it on, just because I don't think I would ever send anyone anything that I didn't personally love myself. So here we go. My first giveaway winner asked for a 90s grunge look with a feminine touch, so things like baby doll dresses and distressed jeans and oversized flannels and chunky boots, and you get the idea. So here's what I pulled together for her. So I'm starting out with my very favorite Patagonia oversized flannel. This is so on point with what she asked for. And then as a top to pair with it, I'm giving her this super cute little lace-up tank. I just bought this from Dolls Kill for myself. Still has the tags on, but I just can't help but give it to her. It's just so on point with her theme. It's totally grungy, but with that feminine touch. And it's gonna look so cute under this flannel. Luckily, this girl happened to be my size, so I was able to just style her straight from my closet. And these jeans, which are one of my favorites, they're bullhead denim, are gonna fit her perfectly. And they're so worn in and distressed and just faded to perfection. And they look so cute with the rest of this look. Then, of course, to add a little extra bit of a grungy touch, of course, a black grommet belt. And to accessorize, I'm giving her this super cute barbed wire bracelet and this locket, which I'm not going to show you guys. I'm going to leave it as a special surprise just for her, but I did put something really cute inside of here and I can't wait for her to open it. And as the icing on the cake, now that I'm selling these bundles, I want to make sure everyone gets at least one big ticket item that sort of makes the whole bundle worth the price. And so for this gal, I'm throwing in, I'm gonna cry, my Doc Martens, but she asked for a chunky boot and these are just so perfect. They're her size too, so like so spot on what she wanted, and I can't help but throw them in to her bundle, so that's what she's getting. And here we have her full look all put together. I love it. It's definitely 90s grunge. We definitely hit the mark on this one, at least I think so. And such cute little accessories. I'm obsessed, and I'm gonna be sad to see these go, but I know they're going to a good home, so yay! My second giveaway winner, in her comment, she mentioned that she was going to Europe for the summer and she wanted a very classy, girly, Audrey Hepburn, Blair Waldorf type of look. And she said she really liked beige and baby pink, so this is what I pulled together for her. So for this gal, I started out with this adorable sweater set that I'm so obsessed with and dying to keep. It's this little tank, pink and beige, just what she wanted, with this little sweater that matches perfectly. You just throw it over the tank. That's so cute. And to go with that, I went ahead and threw in my favorite little American Apparel tennis skirt. And just to give her another little option for a warmer day, I'm giving her this super cute, super soft little baby pink off the shoulder top by BB. It has this beautiful rhinestone lettering. So cute, so pink, so girly, so obsessed. I've said that so many times, I'm so sorry. Now to accessorize, I am giving her my favorite little Vera Bradley quilted purse, very Audrey. This brand new pair of flats, some pearls, obviously. It's such a pearl outfit. These little sunglasses, which are so Audrey Hepburn. They have like the subtle cat eye shape. I love these. Oh my gosh, here's the full look. I cannot get over this sweater set. It's just, it's like heavy cable knit. It's gonna be so soft and warm for like a chillier day, and then of course her little summery option for a warmer day. And just the black accessories just are the icing on the cake. Wow, that one might be my favorite. And my third and final giveaway winner asked for a sporty look that was also a little edgy, and she wanted a pop of color. So here's what we did for her. So I started out with one of my favorite sweaters ever. I actually recently wore this one in one of my YouTube videos, so it's very near and dear to my heart. And as you can see, it has a really pretty like slate gray, khaki gray sort of color in one of the stripes. So what I did is I found these overalls, and this color matches the stripe in the sweater so perfectly, it's insane. They're by LA Blues, which was one of my favorite like 90s brands. To make them a little edgier, I added a little pant chain. I also wanted to throw in a second top option just because, you know, summer is coming, it's warming up. And I decided to give her this Calvin Klein tee, which I cropped, and yeah, just perfect for her sporty theme. For shoes, I decided to give her my cute little white Supergas. They match the little Calvin Klein top so well, and they just totally complete the look. And now to accessorize, I gave her this super cute pair of little teddy bear socks, and they're so sporty. They remind me of the Ralph Lauren polo bear. And my favorite little accessory of hers, I actually stalked through her Depop likes, and I saw that she liked this choker, and I realized I had the exact same one, so I was like, duh, I'm throwing it in. It has little Playboy bunnies, and I feel like that just gives her sporty look the perfect edgy touch. And here's her full look. Oh, I love this one. I can't get over that cute little necklace. And the sweater, I'm gonna miss this one, but like I said with the other stuff, it's all going to great homes, I'm sure. And yeah, look how crazy it is, how perfectly that like gray-green color matches this like greenish khaki. And these little socks and the shoes, the chain, adorable. Alrighty, I just went ahead and took some Polaroids that I'm going to send in the packages just to give them a little bit of an idea of how I styled the looks. And now I'm about to go write them some cute little letters and put together some cute little goodie bags and ship them off tomorrow. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the looks I pulled together for my Lucky Ducky winners. If you're interested in purchasing a bundle, like I said, they're only $90 free shipping on my Depop shop for a full outfit, or $120 if you want shoes. All you have to do is send me your style and your measurements, and I'll get it shipped to you within the week. This is so much fun. I have so much fun pulling these looks together. Oh my god, I'm just so inspired, and I can't wait to do more. So yeah, definitely go buy one if you feel like it's something you're into. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Depop, follow my Instagrams, be my friend. I love you. Bye.